If number 8 appears twice in your birth date, that means your appetite is doubled. In fact, it increases multiple times, but practically it increases your appetite, your hunger for whatever need you might be having or whatever targets you have set for yourself. I want to earn this, or I want to get this, I want to realize this result, this particular result. It might be money, it might be a job, it might be fame, it might be a performance, a level of performance or accuracy or perfection. So all those things, your appetite, your hunger increases. And if only your other numbers are supportive, other numbers means the numbers present in your birth date apart from number 8. So if all those numbers are supporting you, then you are actually able to realize all your desires, your targets very well. You can attract huge amount of money, you can attract abundance of wealth in your life if only this you have number 8 appearing twice in your birth date. Especially if you are into some physical work, if you are attracting money through physical labor, hard work, for example like a sportsman or a tennis player. So if you are earning money through physical effort, then this combination is particularly useful in your life. It will help you attract success, growth. Obviously the stamina is there, so you are able to hang on for a larger time, for a larger duration. In fact, you are able to handle the challenges, handle the situation and win over that situation, win over your challenges, win over your competitors. So this number 8 helps you be there, hang on without giving up and come out victorious. So with number 8, obviously the persistence level also increases. You will have to put in more efforts, you will have to be more persistent, rigorous efforts are required, but you are able to do that. You are able to meet up all those requirements of your profession or your requirements with number 8 appearing twice in your birth date. So with this combination, you can expect more money, more savings, more investments and more results, getting more out of your life. If number 8 appears 3 times in your birth date, if it appears thrice in your birth date, so that is likely to bring in excessive hard work and struggle to achieve your goals. Because again, 3 times means you have more hunger, you have more appetite, but to meet up that appetite, to meet up that fulfillment of your goal and desires, you will have to make excessive amount of effort, excessive hard work you need to put in. And unless you are Roger Federer, so in general people are not able to meet up those expectations, not able to put in that much effort. In fact, in most of the cases, number 8 appearing thrice, that actually brings in a kind of inertia in your life, where you are almost contented with whatever you have got in your life, or you have lost hope to realize more in your life, to get more out of your life, and you just accept whatever situations you have and whatever results you are getting, so you remain contented with that. So you just want to continue with the level you are at, so you just want to continue with that. So number 8 appearing thrice, it can be good only if you are ready to put in high amount of physical labor in your life, in your efforts. Otherwise, it might be a negative combination for you people. So I think this video, about number 8 appearance once, twice or thrice in your life, this should be a useful and insightful video for all you people, especially all those having number 8, and especially for all those people who think appearance of number 8 is a bad omen, is a negative thing. No, not at all. Number 8 is a very useful and important vibration in your life. It helps you, it makes you just hang on, it helps you stay there without giving up, without giving into the pressures. Face them, face your challenges and win over your challenges. So I wish all the very best to all those people having number 8 in their birth dates. Thank you.